Okay, so for question number 7, water is poured into an inverted cone. So we have cone, inverted cone, maksudnya cone tu balik of depth 10 cm. So ketinggian dekat sini, kedalaman dia 10 cm and then radius 5 cm. So cone, so base dia mestilah bulat. So at a rate of 8 cm cube per second. So that is water poured, maksudnya perubahan dia adalah volume. So we have dV dt, the rate of change of the volume equal to 8 cm cube per second. So it's the given value. So this is the given value. So find the rate at which the depth of the water. So kalau kedalaman air maksudnya nilai H. So the rate of H. So we want to find dH dt. What is the dH dt? In the cone is increasing when the depth, when H is equal to 4. So we want H means that we have to find the relation between V and H. Why? Because dH dt should be dH dV multiplied with dV dt. Why? Because we have dV dt. So we need to find dH dV. So what is the relation between H and V? So what is V? V is the volume of a cone, which is 1 over 3 of pi r squared multiplied by the H. So to find the relation between V and H, so everything here should be in terms of H. So how can we relate the radius and the H? So we know the radius is 5 when the H is 10. So what can we replace the R here with H? So H can be, R can be represented as, so H, so 5 over 10 is 1 over 2 H. So we replace the R with 1 over 2 H, all squared H. So what we get is 1 over 12 pi of H cube. So this is the V. So to find dH dV, we need to find what is dV dH. We differentiate H with respect to differentiate V with respect to H. So what do we get here? So 3 over 12 is 1 over 4 pi H square. Okay. So now we have dV dH, which is can be written to dH dV, and dV dt is given from the question. So what is dH dt? So dH dt is equal to dH dV, which is 1 over 4 pi H squared multiplied by 8. Okay. So how can we write this one? So 4 over pi H squared multiplied by 8. So this is equivalent to 32 over pi H square, right? So the question asks you to find the rate at H equal to 4 cm. So when the height going to 4 cm, so what is the rate of change of the height? So substitute the value, so we get 32 over pi of 4 square. So 4 square is equal to 16. 32 over 16 is equal to 2. So 2 over pi. So the dH dt, so the height should be in centimeter per second. Okay.